Hey guys and gals, so here's a quick video on using the Ryobi Snow Removal Tools. In October of 2023, I was able to pick up the 2-stage snowblower and the e-shovel. They were packaged together along with 4 batteries and a rapid dual charger. I've used this thing all the way since then. Now it's March of 2025. We've used this for several snowstorms. Probably the biggest snowstorm we had was about 16 inches of snow in a blizzard. So we had drifting upwards to 3 feet. And we have been plowed in several times up to 2 feet. Now that's when the city plow comes and plows you up by your driveway. I'm pretty certain anyone who's lived in snow country knows exactly what I'm talking about. This machine goes right through that. Does a really good job. Sometimes you have to go double pass if it's a little bit over its limit of 21 inches tall, but it does a great job. It works in all types of snow. It has been absolutely phenomenal. Of course, I'm talking about the 2-stage snowblower. It's just a great machine. Works in all types of snow. Its battery works great. Now I set up one of my cameras to film this. This was a not very big snowstorm. This here is only about 6 inches of snow, so this is not a lot of snow. But this area that you see me cleaning off, this is, you take this times 6, and that's about my entire property. I only set up the camera in this one location. I tried to shoot some stuff using an action cam, and it just gets covered in snow. I also will use the e-shovel when I have less than 3 inches of snow. So if it's under 3 inches of snow, I just use the e-shovel because the snowblower is overkill. Now, I do walk with a cane because I am recovering from leg and foot surgeries. And let me tell you, both of these tools work great. I really prefer using the self-propelled snowblower because I can walk behind it. I can hold on to it and walk behind it. And I don't feel like I'm going to fall over. Though I am using it at the lowest setting because I can't walk too fast yet because I haven't fully recovered from those surgeries. But the fact that I can walk with this thing is awesome. So it's an awesome tool. Both the e-shovel and the snowblower. They're absolutely awesome. I'm very grateful that we were able to find this on sale. And we did actually get both of these bundled on sale for a really incredible deal. Now, I've had a number of people say that, hey, electric sucks. I live in the northern Midwest, and a lot of people up here have electric snowblowers. Maybe not all by Ryobi. There's a lot of people that use other brands, but a lot of people have electric 2-stage snowblowers, and no one complains about them. Everyone loves them. So just using what other people up in this area use. And we normally get a lot of snow, so it's been absolutely awesome to be able to use these tools, and I would highly recommend them. Absolutely fantastic. Now, if you live in like a apartment or something and you can't afford to get a big snowblower like a 2-stage or even the 1-stage, this little e-shovel is actually pretty awesome. I really wish I would have had this when I lived in the city. So I used to live in the city in an apartment, and this thing would have been awesome. It really works really good, and it really saves your back from having to use a shovel. It works absolutely phenomenal. Now, it does only shoot forward, so if it's blowing, as you can see in the video I have, it's going to blow back in your face. So it's not perfect, but it works pretty darn good. But I really like the 2-stage snowblower. So if you had to pick, or you had, and you could get either or, I would get the 2-stage snowblower because the thing works awesome. The only thing I would suggest you do is you pick up, a broom or something. So when you come in, sweep off the snowblower just to make sure all the snow and ice is off of it so it doesn't freeze while it's in your garage. So I always clean it off. I use pretty much a broom or like, one of those things for your car for the like scraping and brush. Yeah, I'll use one of those as well. So yeah, just make sure you clean it off. But it works great, and the batteries, the 4 6-amp-hour batteries last me for doing my entire property, which is basically that garage area that you see, the little driveway, times 6, doing that 6 times. And it lasts pretty darn good, and it works in all types of snow. So sticky snow, wet snow, and fluffy snow, it works in all those type of things. Really awesome tools. Really enjoy them.